Hey guys, I'm super excited to share with you about this product. It's unlike anything I've seen before. This is a drill kit. You've got lots of other tools in it as well. It's not just a toolkit with a drill inside. This is so aesthetically pleasing, so well made. I've actually had a peek inside. I couldn't wait. I really wanted to see how it looks like and I was very impressed. Let me open it and show you. All right, check that out. So cool, right? Haven't seen anything like this. Kind of looks like a safe. But here it is, and just open it like that. You've got everything that you need right in here. All right, so let me show you the beautiful gifts that are inside this box. You've got all these tools and a measuring tape. And right over here, it opens just like that. You have the beautiful brushless drill, which I've already charged. It charges through USB. You plug it in right here. Doesn't this look so beautiful? And you've got the numbers right here. You can adjust. And then you've got the drill bits right over here. Talk about organization. This is so well made. It fits perfectly in each space. I love that. So a quick rundown as it relates to the tools. This is a multifunctional screwdriver. It holds very nicely in your hand. Here's how it looks like inside. You can go ahead and you can use these right here to just stick right into the screwdriver. Whatever bit set that you need, it just goes right inside. Really easy, and it's actually really soft to hold. And then you've got this beautiful claw hammer, nice in size, fits perfectly into my hands. I prefer this hammer over the big ones. You can stick a nail right in here. And then you've got the adjustable wrench. This wrench, you know, we need these wrenches for lots of plumbing things around the house. This one's gonna be very, very handy. And then you've got the beautiful needle nose pliers. Okay, these are handy whenever you have a nail and you really need to take it out. I've had to use pliers before. Sometimes they don't close all the way. Check that out. It closes very nicely. And you've got holes right here, which you could also use to pull things out. And this right here, I'm excited to show you this tape measure. So, you know how most tape measures, you take it out and it just, if you don't hold it, it goes back in. This is the opposite. You pull it out and it stays until you push and it goes back in. It's nice and sleek. So right over here, you're gonna get the charging cable. I have mine connected to the wall plug right now, but let's go back over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach a drill bit. Let's go with the biggest one. There we go. And they include the instructions here for the drill. This is a function switch. So the way I see it is if you're drilling a hole, you know, like a pilot hole, you switch to this. But if you're screwing in something, you switch over here. And check out the different speeds. So if I'm screwing something in, this is the speed. And then the pilot hole, you see how that goes faster in the beginning, especially. This is the chuck. This is the trigger right here that you're pushing. This is forward, lock, reverse. See how you push it? And then you adjust the torque speed, which goes all the way up to, goes all the way up to, oh my goodness. Does it really go that high? Oh, it does. This is amazing. That's really fast. That's really, really strong power. Okay, and let's see. So that's screw. That's so fast. Ooh, that's even faster right there. All right, we're gonna have to go down because I can imagine that I would need that speed. And then you've got the mode button right here. Check that out. When I press that, that's what it does. I don't know how to explain it. It's just the way that it motions, exactly like this wave. That's the motion. That's really cool because on a typical regular drill, there's no option to do this. And I could see if you're drilling into the wood and you kind of need pulses, this is the way to do it. Sweet. Wow, I am so shocked about this right here. How fast and how much power it has. Wow. That It is so powerful. Don't get me wrong, I'm very impressed with the tools, but I am so impressed with this drill. It is so powerful. And this is where it vents out, right on the side right here. Okay guys, real talk. This Hodo 12 volt brushless drill kit, here it is. Here's the drill. I am very impressed. I've built a few things in my life. I've used DeWalt, Ryobi, but this is different. I'm impressed. It's actually really powerful. I know that you want to stick to some brand names, but give this a try. See for yourself, because not only is it aesthetically pleasing, but it's really, really powerful. And for me, sure, it's nice to have a really aesthetically pleasing tool, but for me, power and the quality and how it actually works, that's what's important. And this is coming through. Hopefully this review was helpful. Yeah, I'm just gonna go and do some home projects right now and see you later.